So I finally bought a truck. This is a 1998 Ford Ranger XLT, 4-wheel drive. It's got a 6-foot bed, came with the shell topper. It's a 3-liter and automatic. And let me tell you, I've wanted one of these for a long time now. All right, now why did I buy it? I bought this because I need something to be able to get me up and down snowy mountains, rocky mountains, anything in between. So I got this bad boy. I can now put the mini bike in the back, pick up any flips or Facebook Marketplace finds. I can now haul it myself. It's got a trailer hitch, so now I can tow stuff. So yeah, it's a very reliable off-road vehicle. With it being a Ford Ranger, they're easy to work on, parts are plentiful, and being older, even better on top of the Ranger, the age just makes it that much easier to work on it. Other than the rust, but I'd take rust over new electronics and specialty tools. And now, because this thing will help me with YouTube a lot, I can now do a lot more projects, go a lot more places. So much better content will be coming out. All right, price and what's all wrong with it, what works. I bought this bad boy for $6,700. It has 133,000 miles on it. Both high and low 4-wheel drive works. No CEL light, heat, AC, all works. It's a clean title. It's in near perfect shape. The only rust you've got is on the other side of the truck. There's a little bit on the fender right there, but that's it. Underneath, only surface rust. I've got to say, it may have a couple dinks here and there. Not perfect, but perfect for me. First impressions of the truck, it's got really smooth steering, very tight corners as well. Once again, that surface rust, but that's it. No cracks or no frame damage or anything to the undercarriage. And once again, coming with the shell, that's perfect. So what's the future plan with this truck? Well, this is gonna be a major part of the channel now. You're gonna see small fixes, upgrades, major modifications. Whatever comes, that's what I'm doing with it. I am going to keep most of the things budget with this, and then once this one's all souped up with budget, then maybe in the future get another one and then do a budget versus high price comparison of Rangers. So we'll see. The opportunities are there. It's endless. I can do whatever. Reliable truck, budget off-road, and possibly future camper. Next video is going to be about checking everything out, all the fluids, the brakes, tie rods, anything and all. I'm just going to be going over I'll be going over the basic maintenance next time. Some potential upgrades for the future might be lift, new tires, lights, so all sorts of things. So make sure you guys stick around and follow the whole series. Well, that's the Ranger. Clean, simple, and ready for whatever's next. I'll see you guys in the next one.